Hi, Greg here, Kiwi Wanderers. Hey, this week we're going to talk about the Bos370 powered jockey wheel. I'll talk about why we upgraded. I'll talk about how I got approval from the War Office, and I'll also talk about how to use it and what it costs, and if I think it's value for money. Okay, if you've just joined us, Kiwi Wanderers is Holly the dog, Sandy, and I, and we are newbies touring this fine country in our Jayco Silverline. And if you'd like to learn from our experiences and mistakes on the road, please think about subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss a thing. Hey, so I managed to destroy my standard jockey wheel with my motor movers. Long story, and I don't have a video unfortunately, but basically while using the movers to reverse out of a spot at the beach, the jockey wheel turned and dug into the sand, bending it, making it unusable. So we needed a more robust jockey wheel. I did my research and decided we needed a drill operated jockey wheel. As you know, we're getting older, both of us, and the total weight on our van is close to 300 kilos. So I made an application to the War Office. Once approved, we decided on the Bos370 from Aussie. Normally when upgrading or adding additions to the van, it's quite a complicated application to the War Office. You'd no idea what I have to do. But this time it was pretty obvious that we needed something. We had to use the vehicle jack to take the van off the ute. Yeah, so here are my views on the latest addition to our van. I ordered it from the New Zealand dealer and it took a while to arrive due to COVID shipping and what we now consider the normal supply chain issues. It was very well packaged and comes with a couple of warning tags around using impact guns to operate the jockey wheel, and I can see why. Some of the late model impact guns have got some serious amount of torque and they would just destroy it. I ordered it with large dual wheels for work with our motor movers, and it comes with an extension leg and a flat plate for when the van is stationary. Instructions are minimal but well written. Fitting it to the van was easy. Just like fitting our old leg that I had done hundreds of times. The difference is that this leg retracts completely and stays attached to the A-frame, which I think is a plus on two levels. One, we don't have to store it in the van, and two, no more lifting the leg on and off. Operating the jockey wheel is easy using a drill, which I have to wind up the stabiliser legs. So Sandy has no problem if she needs to disconnect the caravan by herself, so that's another plus. It also comes with a hand winder in case your battery drill is flat, and yeah, this hasn't happened yet, but I'm sure it's just a matter of time. Swapping the wheel on the jockey is easy and only takes a minute or so. They use this clever lynch pin arrangement, which is easy to get on and off. Using the motor movers now is much easier, and even on softish ground, the dual wheel works very well. So we've had this jockey wheel for 3 months and it's been great. I'm not sure I could go back to doing everything by hand. I mean, I'm not a teenager, am I? Anyway, in these troubled times, even the jockey wheel has to wear a mask, and luckily Bos has provided one. The travel cover would be my only comment actually, as it appears to have faded quite a bit in the Kiwi sun, but still doing its job. The only thing I would add to our jockey wheel is a bit of security in case someone wants it more than me and tries to remove it from the van. And for this reason, you can buy a security bolt from Bos to replace the handle. Gives it a bit more security. Is it value for money? So at 600 New Zealand dollars, I think the Bos370 is good value for money. Well, it's 3 times the price of the standard jockey wheel, but I think it gives 3 times the value. Mind you, I do have to say that in case Sandy watches this video. I don't want to be in trouble with the War Office. No, seriously, I think it's worthwhile for 3 reasons. 1, it's very robust, and I don't think I will be able to kill it, even with our motor movers. 2, it makes uncoupling and levelling process just very easy for Sandy or myself. And 3, it's a great talking point at the campground. I do like talking about RV stuff. I hope you got something out of this video. I really enjoy making them. Coming up in Tech Tips, we have reviews on the ELAM level and the Wi-Fi GPS. I've also been asked to do a video on how the motor movers work on our Jayco caravan, so that'll be great. Hey, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.